Hello, everyone. So these are spicy Sichuan Wonton dumplings, and they have the thinnest skin that is packed full of filling. And of course, everything is finished off with a spicy chili oil along with some black vinegar, and it is just so good. So I hope you all enjoy the recipe. So, this scene looks familiar. I have a very easy filling for you guys today. It starts off with 1 cup of vegan beef crumbles, and then to that I add some salt, some white pepper, some coconut sugar. Recipe is going to be all down below. That was a little Shaoxing rice wine, and then now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of the Lee Kum Kee minced garlic. So it's all done and all minced up for you. A half a cup of scallions, all chopped up. You're just gonna mix all of that together, and then boom, you're done with the filling. Surprise! We are doing this with store-bought wonton wrappers. Easy peasy. Make sure that it's the square type. And then I find that it's easier to kind of brush the sides first with a little bit of water and cornstarch that I mixed up. About 1 tablespoon of the filling goes in. And what I do is I seal the outside first so that it becomes a rectangle. And just remember to push the filling inside towards the center because you want a little bit of an edge. And then I wet the right corner, okay, the right inside corner. And what I do is I twist it so that the left outside corner meets the right inside corner. Okay, you guys are gonna have to see that again, but eventually it turns into kind of like the shape of like a golden nugget, which is, very fortuitous. So at this point, you can go ahead and freeze it for the times to come, or you can cook it off right away. So I have some boiling water. You probably don't want it to be this crazy. Add a little bit of oil to it so that the wontons don't stick together, and then gently put them in. Because the skins are so thin, they do have a tendency of kind of like popping open or kind of breaking through. So easy does it. I'd say like 2 minutes. Like you're just looking to warm everything up because everything's pretty much cooked. Okay, so this is my favorite part. I have some Chiangking black vinegar here, and it's tangy and molassesy and a little bit sweet at the same time, and some of this Lee Kum Kee chili oil. Now, I've made Sichuan chili oil for you guys before. I'm gonna link it down below. But there's like 10, 15 ingredients to it. You have to heat up the oil. It's kind of like making Indian food. There's just a lot of spices involved. So this chili oil is actually really good. It has all of the spices in it. It has a little bit of sugar, the oil, it has everything. And you guys know I don't really like prepared sauces too much because I prefer making it myself. But this guy is savory and yummy, and it's just gonna save you so much time so that you guys can get to the eating. mean, this is not that pretty, but it is so, so good because the wrapper is thin and it's soft and it just like melts all in. And of course, that chili oil and vinegar combination is classic Sichuan food and it is so, so good. Well, anyways, you all, I hope you guys enjoyed that recipe. And as usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, I've been saying this so much. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you all again next time. Bye.